So, hello everyone. Today is day 20 and January 20 of 366 days live coding is day and exploring and sharing my journey. So, for those viewers watching this video after this live, welcome to this video and smack that subscribe button for to not miss my lab for the next time. And just want to start with my update on my life, what I'm up to. So right now I'm a bit overwhelmed because of like so many things are going in my life, and I'm trying my best but also falling in some places, and that's our life. And when you like, there is one comfort level that I have, like just sorry for my English. Like, what I meant is, there is one option for me to just sleep at this time was Facebook reels or short videos and laugh and just sleep at this time. But I'm doing this instead of that because I want to grow and I want to have my own legacy. But also, even though I'm trying, there is something deep inside that says like still not like give more, but there is conflict in my mind also. But I think that happens when you want to do more, but you are not, but you don't have the skill right now. So for this whole year 366 days, I'm be more into my skills. And as today was Saturday, and today I had sleep that I needed for like previous week, like this week. I slept around 3 or 4 hours per day for 6 days straight, and that has really messed up my sleep. And today I sleep like a rock for like over 10 hours, and I wake up and I was doing one program like Quantum Explorer. It is a 6 month program where you have like it is a game based kind of quantum computing exploring theme where you have say even labs you have to complete. And I haven't completed the last three labs, so today I completed the second two lab. Like I can share you my screen. I was doing this, and today my whole time was on this, and today I was not able to do other things. Like, okay, I will show you. Okay, so there is this. Okay, sorry, quantum. So okay, so today I was doing this. It is a program organized by IBM for like Quantum Explorer, and it is of 6 month, and this is going to be end in February. So I can just show you. Okay, sorry, cause I think cause of this Discord, my internet is being slow, or yeah. So this is started from the February 6th to like July 6th to February 1. It is a 6 month, like where I have completed the expert navigator, space combat, time traveler, and this hasn't been completed yet because for this I need to be a this is a community based, so I need to engage in the Discord and solve some problem there. And I will do this after some days. And you can see like from the all of the participate, like 8 participants had completed the same exercise. You have completed more than 92% of participants, so that's a good thing. But still I need to do this thing, this challenge. And this like there is they give you a many textbook, like many things to learn, and you have to complete that. Yes, bro, please take care of your health as well. Thank you, brother. And how are you? How your earning is going? So yeah, just okay. To conclude, I was doing this quantum thing, and so my most of my time today went on this. and and today I talked with one person also, like he's from my friend. Like I met him on one tech event, and I had a networking with him, and he's a Django backend developer, and he's very good at this Python and this Django thing. And he shared me his dashboard that was really cool, and really I was so impressed by him because he's a Django developer, backend developer. Yeah, although he created a beautiful UI with the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, the dashboard was so good. Like same kind of dashboard I'm making on my React, but he made that with the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and I was so impressed also. And he shared me about his journey of learning Django and how he's doing his job. And besides from that, as I'm now Microsoft Launch Student Ambassador, I have a monthly credit of $150 for cloud hosting for the Azure, and we planned some startup kind of thing for the blog, which is primarily for the Nepal tech community. And that was it. And I don't like that was the pretty much today I accomplished. And after today, Rahul brother, after today, okay, so I can show you my poster. After today, I'm giving a Git and GitHub workshop in my college. uh in my college I'm giving like 2 day workshop, 2 hour, like 4 hour total time. And there I will be teaching student about Git and GitHub and how they can publish their portfolio. You mean Microsoft thing? Yeah, like my screen is sharing. Yeah, so you can see here my so I applied it before 4 weeks, and I got selected, man. Like I'm so happy, and yeah, it's just happy. Like if you go to my YouTube also, there is one 2 minute video, yeah, like the Microsoft Student Loan Ambassador. And I like, okay, so this is the Microsoft student, like Microsoft Launch Student Ambassador, yeah. So if you go and search my name here, you can so okay. So Biraj Karki, okay. So if you go and like, here I am, yeah. So this is my Microsoft Student Ambassador account from the Microsoft, and I'll be getting like LinkedIn Premium and the Azure $150 each month, and that will be start after this week because I need to complete one like onboarding process of my detail, and after that I will be receiving that. And today it was Saturday, so they are not working today, like they have holiday. So I guess in this Monday they will activate my account. And we talked about that. And brother, so I need to make one Git and GitHub slide. Congratulations, thank you, brother. And you can also apply on that program. Go and check it out. Like there is one YouTube video you have to make, like where you have to say the thing on the YouTube and post the link there, and there is additional two question you have to fulfill that, and you get selected as a two type. There is one selection is direct selection, they just select you and you are a Microsoft Student Ambassador. And I was like that, like my application was directly selected from them. Or you will be considered as a Microsoft Student Ambassador, and you will have to do some month training, and then they can make you student ambassador. Bro, like it's not about skills, like they are just saying that uh you have to be able to teach and be as a community, yeah. Like you have a community in your home, your school, your college. Have you ever went there and had any kind of kind of soft skill where you share your things, where you discuss about the tech events? Like in my back in my high school, I used to conduct seminars, workshops, yeah. So I said that I have done that, and I can more contribute to the ecosystem. I can uh, or organize event, I can do this, that, and from my experience I have this. So I showed my photo also. So you can do that in your local community also, like in your friend circle also. So you can at least try and in your second year you can give your best also. Yes, but no, not even. But in my academy, I'm learning software. Yeah, so you can share that, and that's a really good opportunity also. So I need to, yeah. So firstly, I need to make Git and GitHub slide. I should today make, like, today I'm not going to sleep. Today I'm not going to sleep because I don't have time. After 5 minutes, I'm going to start my working. Just for 5 minutes, I'm saying like just for the recording and for what I'm up to. So I need to do that, and I still need to learn React and Next.js. There is one thing I need to really learn, and today I need to at least complete 5 6 screen of that Figma design. I really need to do that. I really need to do that. And from that, I still, okay, so what I will do is, um, I need to make my to-do plan. Okay, so I will make after this 12. Okay, so I will, yeah, so just let, so should I go for it now? No, like you, I don't mean like I will be doing this like off screen, but I was saying that I will start my like BS code. Like I'm going to start my BS code, I mean that. Okay, and besides from that, brother, you can also uh okay, you know JavaScript, HTML, CSS, yeah. You can just, if you have some free time, just for 1 hour 2 hour, you can also explore Django. Okay, so can I share you my one app that I made with the Django? I made like to-do list app from the Django, and I'm very surprised that it's great, man. Like Django is super cool. Django is super cool to have. Like if you know Django, it's a very good skill to have. You can be a backend developer, and with, okay, so here is one comment. Okay. Mhm. And I'm going to learn Django too. Like after this month, after this 10 days, I'm going to give my more time to Django also. Yeah, you can go for it. Like they select for yearly 3 time, and I guess from the Nepal, there were only 2 selection for this year. No, no, there were 4 selection for direct student ambassador, because I saw like only 4 posts on the social media. Like I saw for the MLSA on the LinkedIn, on the Facebook, and I found one girl. She has also got that certificate, and there was one brother. I know him, like from the LinkedIn. He got that, and another was one brother. He's like a cybersecurity person. Like he's learning that, and he had also that certificate. So okay, before that, I need to give commit. Okay, bro, yesterday I feel so bad. Like uh my commit streak went from one, because yesterday I went to college at my noon for that workshop I'm going to give. Yeah, so I went there for the document, like for the proposal and for the event. Yeah, so the internet connection, the all the things that I need to be sure of. Yeah, so I went there, and yesterday I had the meeting, and in my office on which I need to get commit my code. So I missed that meeting also, and I missed my commit also, and starting from one. But that's cool, we will make it. uh, we will make it. That will not be something bad here in my life. Okay, so I'm just going to commit because I don't want to miss today commit. Okay, okay. mm, because I had already committed, as you can see, I had 2 files that needed to commit. Like I had deleted 157 lines, and 303 I added, and 11 files were changed. So npm, your stream is buffering. Hello, my stream is buffering now also. Hi, bro. I think I should close this. Yeah. What I think I will do is okay. I will just. Is my now stream buffering or not? So I was saying that, yeah. So I'm not going to miss any day. 366 days. That is on my mind all time. And yeah, I'm learning this, man. I'm learning this Azure also. This Azure, because as I got $150 credit from the Microsoft, yeah, and it is on the monthly basis. So, and my friend that were on the Django, he stated that this is more than enough for hosting any site. So I will sharing to him also if he says, and if things go as we planned out. Before then, like you can see, there is Cosmos. So I need to learn all these things. Basically cloud computing for the Azure. And brother, I think my laptop is shaking, so you are getting kind of blurring or okay. So yeah, as I remove all those files, okay, so I will just, so I need to learn this, man, really. Azure, is there any resources regarding learning? Okay, student documentation, developer resources, template. Okay, so pricing, we can see pricing. Yeah, so pay as you go. So there is this product, so they provide this much. Okay, so they are providing virtual machine, SQL, Azure, Cosmos DB, Azure AI services, so I can use AI services of there also. Okay, that's cool. And the is function like serverless code function, bro. They are giving this Azure Quantum. Can I use this? They are providing Quantum, so I can perform my models and I can learn quantum here also in the cloud. That's cool, man. That's cool. That's cool. So these are the code samples. That's cool. That's cool. Brother, is my, I think what is happening to my life, like to my, why is my streaming? Man, I'm going to buy my laptop soon. Um I am I'm collecting my money. I just need to see what are the resources. All resources can I, can't I say that? Mm, okay, so can't I just see, man? What are there? So I can make face API detect 95 people and emotion in the images. Bro, I'm getting this OpenAI account also, okay? I'm so much happy that I got this. I'm going to learn this all, man. Like, I'm going to explode it. There is Socket.ai also. Okay, so, like, I have 3 years, yeah, as a student, as my bachelor. I'm going to learn. I'm going to grow so much, man. I don't need to learn this all within a month, within a year. I know it will take some time, 2, 3 years. I'm going to give 2, 3 years. Absolutely. I'm going to give it. I'm going to be the best. I'm going to be the best. They are providing me this much, okay? See the quantum pricing, okay? Is this not included? Okay, so they are giving from this kind of not directly quantum but ionic. Okay, so if is there any ionic? I'm just searching that, man. It's so cool. Bro, quantum workspace. Why I'm not able to see the quantum workspace dashboard? Like why I'm not logging in is because uh I'm going to have my like this is my student ambassador mail, yeah. So I'm going to get my monthly within 2 days and I don't want to just log on that. Man, this is so cool. This is cool. Hello? Are you facing what you mean by facing problem? Hello, hello? Is my things are cool now? Or I I think now it's working, yeah? I think now it is fine. Okay, so regarding coding, yeah, you can share me, brother. Mm, what issues are you facing? Bro, why my laptop is making noises? If this happens, man. Okay, so what I will do is I will take my laptop from my office. Yeah, I will bring my laptop from my office in my home, and what I will do is I will set up my space regarding this. Okay, so what I will do is I will use this laptop as my main primary coding, and I know I will use my main primary code from that laptop, and I will stream from here because my office laptop doesn't have best camera. Why it is making noise, man? So this crash report are taking so much of para. Just stay in chat. Okay, you can type it. I will just explore here, and if there is a two message you can share, and I will watch that at the same time. Okay, so okay, you can send me. I will just check the some things here. So yesterday I missed my commitment. I need to make. I need to work on this icon also. What I need to do is I will. It is just squeezing, and this is not good. So problem is now I'm learning just, but the thing is that I'm not able to clear my concept. Like I don't know why this in JS I feel like I'm not able to learn like loops, array methods, and like while learning I'm not able to recognize that it will help me this concept how help me to the project. So for this I have to say 3 point. First of all is you have just started, yeah. So it is just a natural. If you are saying me this after a month, then I had to see a different answer for this kind of query. Yeah. And another point is you are doing a core vanilla JavaScript. You are doing a core vanilla JavaScript. Yeah. And okay, so and bro message like I want to do Java. Bro, I will be honest with you. Yeah. Okay. Uh, like I will be honest with you, and it will be a kind of hard also, hard truth. But you need to learn more, man. Like why are you just focusing on the job? Like you can do like internship, you can build project, or you can say like uh I want to do a project after March. Like, or I'm not a guy to ask me this question because I got this job after, man, like 1.5 year. Like for the whole 1 year and a 1.5 year I was just learning it, and still I'm confused in so many things. Like or you or the only way to get a job like is if you go any boot camp, or if you go and pay some money to some academy, or where they will say there is a fixed job after completion of this project. But we are not doing that, yeah. And we are also in just starting out, like we are on bachelor level, and it's so hard to get job right in the first year. Like I had experience of 1 year in SEO, and within a company, like my boss has already known me since 1 year. He had communication with me, and I shared each and every day. So in my home time, like after I go from my job at my night time, I study React. I'm studying. So can you have some job regarding React? Because I'm bored. I'm actually bored at doing my SEO job, and I think I can learn more. Like that way I talked for months, and after some months, like 2 3 months, they gave me some project which I gave, like they made me to do full React project. Because the one thing is, right now also, and you and many people are starting web development, yeah, because there is a money. Each and every wants to be a coder programmer, everyone's. And from that, like you are saying actual job, yeah, where they pay you some money. So yeah, for that I'm telling you this, okay? Or if you want uh internship and you are cool with not having money. And I want to express one thing also, that I think I said you, but I think just me to be clear, in my high school, like in my when I was on my 11 and 12, I did project, like I got an internship from my senior brother on their startup, where I did, like I can show you the project also. I have in my disk github. Like before, on my 2021 or 2022, I created full site with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and I did many projects with them, and I don't get any paid. Okay, like I got paid after some months, like 4 5 thousand, and from one WordPress website I made. But actually, I don't, like I didn't stated that I need pay also, because I was learning there, and that was the opportunity to just have a internship in the high school was so big for me. I don't care about the job, yeah. And after the 1 2 year, now I'm getting just a front-end developer job. So I can't say you, like after 2 3 months you will get a job. I can't guarantee you that. But if you do that 30 days JavaScript, yeah, you can see I updated it on 2022. But okay, so I'm going to show you my first. Okay, so this 2 year ago, yeah. So before 2 year ago, I used to make websites. So I will show you my code. Okay, so yeah, before 2 year I made this full website. Okay, this is just the HTML part. So there is the CSS, there is the JS, yeah, the PHP also for the form, the contact and thank you. Still don't get any job in the programming. Yeah, yeah, exactly. At a starting point, like as from example, I had done. Okay, so I will show you. Okay, you can see Cybertron Nepal. Okay, I will just show you. So this was the company which I did around 12 class, when I was on 12 class. Okay, so we used to make this kind of project there. And see, I'm Biraj Karki, software engineer intern. Yeah, so I did this job, and after this, I did another job, and that was also low pay. And I got a job in SEO, not in web development, not in programming. I got a job in SEO, and where I actually learned how a company works, how like like learning from home and actually doing job at the office is kind of different from my experience. And after 1.5 year of doing SEO, I made through, like I learned each and every day about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, React, Next.js, and other bunch of things that I needed. And still I'm learning. Like I'm not, like I think for the front end role also, I'm not even 50%, because being a front end developer and being a React developer is kind of different thing. And React is itself a big ecosystem. There are a bunch of things to learn, libraries, packages. So for now, that complete that 30 day of JavaScript. I know you are confused about that loop arrays, and still I'm sometime I'm confused about that array also. So that's obvious. That don't be discouraged and don't think like my learning is not helping. You are just starting this 30 day challenge. It hasn't been 1 month also. Just do that 1 month. And also on, and don't do this only, go on YouTube, do some 10 hour 20 hour videos, like learn from them. Because yeah, coding hell is one thing where you are just live, just copy pasting, but that is also fine as a starter. But if you are just doing that for over for months and months, then that is a bad thing. So don't think like uh, you have to get job in the front end right now. You can I think you have stated me that you have experience in the digital marketing kind of like you have done some graphic design or some course. Yeah, if you can get your job, do that job. Just have one job and learn, and with your skill have the job. So that's I want to say, because we talked on that Google Meet also, and I'm really like I have concern about you and I want to see you grow. So that's why I'm saying, and it can be a hard way of saying things, but bro, like if you just say like this, I want to do a job after March, that I can't give you anything. I'm sorry for that. Like yeah, I made this site also back in those times, and I worked on this dental side also on like this was made with the WordPress, but I did this thing before 2 years. And if you go on my GitHub account also, back on like 2 year ago, I was learning React and just got a job in React. So it takes time, brother. So okay, attendance, company ID. So it was from the above, and now I need to make a table. Petrol by table. So what I can do is I can have the table. What I can do is just take this table. It has pagination, sorting and selection. Yeah. So do I need to have sorting and selection in this my code? I don't think I need. I don't think I needed it. Action. Custom pagination action is allows to have a call. I think I can work with this also. Grid component. I will make this as a, what I will do is I will make it as a common point of table. So this is under the this under the attendance. Yeah. So from my Figma there was this attendance. So it has a leave late, yeah, for the attend attendance table layout. I can say this, and what I can do is I can create one component out of it. I can create a component inside the create component is for create company. I will create, yeah, I will create on, oh, so I have already created this company employee table. Yeah, it is for the employee table, not for the attendance. So what I will do is I will just create one, or I have, yeah, I have attendance table also, and the, okay, so I will create one table here. So I will create a table. So attendance. So I need to make fix all of these things. Okay, so what I will do is, okay, okay. Okay, So it is taking one params from the first row, and the name of, no, okay, what I need to do, okay, okay, so they are using a grid. They have give this Steve a height and width, so width is 100%. It is taking full height, and under the grid layout they have rows, and for the rows they are just passing these rows, and they has this column, and for the column they are taking this column. Yeah, okay. And why is this type? Okay, so I got it now. It is for the TS, and I'm not using TS. Okay, so it was for the TS. Okay, so if I, okay, so if I, mm, mm, I need to make a state out of it also, like on the Redux or on the services also I can work now. Yeah, I can make services also. Mm, but grid um, x grid data import x layout layout. uh, the issues is coming from the area. Mm, put grid. So I think what I need to do is I need to grid. mm, do I need to install something? Do I need to install something? No, I don't need to install anything. So why I am having issues regarding, so it is under the table? No. Like while doing another job, can I become front end after a year or some other more time? Another means other job, profile job, and more. One more thing, like suppose I have learned or be good in HTML, CSS, JS, React, and some these things good and best project. If I have connection and I have a good profile on LinkedIn, GitHub, all of these things, then I feel lost, and now that's why I'm asking. Okay, like okay, so are you here? Yeah, so are you here? Yes, okay. So you are good with HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and oh, I still don't like you have on that meeting said that there are many startup they are taking, yeah, but for those startup also we are not good fit because as a startup they have less money. Like if they are getting funded by big BAC venture capital, then they will just hire a big person, big many year of experience person, or if they are starting out they can give you some money, but they will try to have only one person who is good at both things, front end and back end, and we are not that. Okay, so I still not know like what are the job openings and what are the LinkedIn job you get from your LinkedIn job profile. Yeah, because on my LinkedIn I get from my Nepal. Okay, so that is one thing. Okay, so yeah, there are like as a self-taught and as a fresher it is a hard to get job. And uh, I didn't mention that I applied to many job for the React developer post, like many time I applied so many time with my resume, Like while I was on my SEO job, yeah, I applied to many jobs, but they didn't took me as a front end developer because why should they take me? Like uh, on my resume also, I have only less than one experience in React. Like learning React is one thing, and actually being on the professional is one thing. Like if I'm saying about my experience level on the like learning, it is 3 year, but for the job market it is only 1 year of experience. So why should they take me as a React developer job, yeah, position? So and I still don't have like big project or a worthy project on the GitHub. So it absolutely takes some time do HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and React. And okay, you can explore Vue.js, yes, also, still also, and there are bunch of other framework also. And if you really want to go on a website, there is space for the WordPress also. Like in your cities or in your ecosystem, if the startups are doing on the WordPress, so you can learn that also. Like there is not exact path to follow and actually get a job. Like there are ways to get a job, not a path, actual path. Hi, hello, like, so okay, yeah, so do that and have connection on LinkedIn and just apply, and it will actually take a time. Like for me also, it took more than a year, like 1 2 year to have this job. So it takes time. And the thing you said about to have a job till March, that I can't have an answer. But yeah, you can do other job in the tech industry. And web is always about law earning each day is time. So there is not actually a timeline to follow and get a job. Just a ways. Like I still don't know like why how I will get my second job after this company, and I'm still figuring out. I'm just learning. So so that is my answer. Okay. Best project, and I have constantly to, and to confuse on the JavaScript, like React loop is absolutely normal as beginner. So don't worry about that stuff. You will get used to, and you are following that 30 days of JavaScript, yeah. So after 1 month also, if you are really confused about learning this loop area and you are not sure, I'm not understanding at all, then we should work on like the way you are learning. And if I see your LinkedIn profile also, like I saw like you made really great project. Just keep with that and you will learn eventually. Don't stress about it. So I got one problem here, yeah. In fact, I'm also really a noob. If you are using, okay, so I need to install this. I didn't know that. So it is a thing that I need to install. Okay. Okay, so I can use this table on my company and employee also. I should try that tomorrow. But I will just complete some of these things. And I think I should have some. I will be done just. And what I'm thinking is to see, like while I'm programming, yeah, I think I should open my YouTube comment in my app, and from there I should see the comments. Like that way, what will happen is, mm, like that way, like what will happen is I don't need to have a second like this half side, and this way to just view the comment second like this. Okay, so I will be seeing your comment from this way. Okay, so I can just mm, so I need to do this. I need to look into this tomorrow. So I have this table, yeah. Thank you for the suggestion, but what I got that I will try to learn more fast, but I should not expect a job in less time. But I will just try, and from my experiences I can do another job, right? And after having good command on front end, then switch. And one more question, like the like what is the right time to apply for an internship? Because in Delhi I can get internship. It's hard, but it can I can get. Yeah. So for the right time is right now, because you are going to apply for the internship, and if you get on your first try, then that's really good. But it will take some time to go to get that internship also, so you can start your internship applying now. And what you can do is, as you are doing that JavaScript 30, yeah. So if you are applying on a internship after 10 days, and you are on a journey of JavaScript 15, yeah, like 15 days, then you can mention in your kind of letter or in your message that I'm also doing this JavaScript 15, so you can check my LinkedIn account or my GitHub repo. So you can also state that. And yeah, like if you got the internship, and then you can just within some month also, if you are doing good, then you will be promoted to front end developer. So you don't need to do another tech job. But if you don't got that, that's also cool. Like, it's about just exploring. Like right now we are just 19-year-old person, yeah. So I think, yeah, financial problem in house also, like there is mine also, but just a normal pay for now, but learning should be a top priority. and with that learning after 2 3 years we can get 10x 20x of that money also. So that's my take from that. So I don't knew this, man, like I didn't knew this. I didn't knew this. So for the community there are this much. So this is the pro. So this is the community column. What is the column? Filter, do some action, manage column, hide column, show column. If I have to be honest, I'm not like I feel like I don't know so many stuff, so many like. But one thing is, if you give some time, it will feel just natural to you. Because I have seen many of my friend like comfort, rank, export, search. Can I? I'm going to use this. That's for sure. I'm going to use this. Does that mean? And today I said, yeah, like today I had a conversation with one of my friend. Like he was the Django developer. Hi Rahul, may I know what's your tech background? But you know too much than first of all, no man, I still don't know. Like Rahul, you can give some context to our brother code with Cook. Like you can share your things to him also. He can also give you suggestion. Like he's more experienced than me also, and I'm that night I learned so many things uh, about the research paper, about the whole AI and other things also. So you can share him and about that, bro. If you have any suggestion that is better and like I don't have that much also, but just prioritize your learning, and I know you will surely do great because I have seen your LinkedIn. Like you are doing a daily GS, yeah, like 30 days challenge. But the thing is you are asking me this question, but I like myself, I had like uh, it took me more than 1 year to just go just to get a front end job, and so I'm not capable of saying to how to land a job in within a month. But you can talk with our brother. He can also give you some solid advice. Mm, so these are the things tomorrow I need to do. Okay, I need to free forever, free forever. Okay, so uh, Yeah, like I told you about that brother I met, like he was doing Django, yeah, and he said me that on his company there is one React developer, and he also used this Material UI. So this Material UI is really good for professional setting, and I'm thankful for my project manager to suggest me to learn this, because I never knew like there was kind of this thing also. Field, okay. So for that I can use the model. mm, Grid premium, so it is a premium. But I think I'm able to use this premium also, can't I? So as now I don't have so many tabs, yeah, so I think I can open my Figma. It won't hurt my system. So I hide that column, yeah. Manage column, yeah. So hide all. So if I just want to see this two tab, I'm going to implement this on my old code also, and I'm going to use Figma. And bro, you can follow Hardik Bhai. He has some great ideas. Yeah, like Hardik, yeah, like he's doing this 100 cohorts. Yeah, he's a great man. Like I also watch his videos and stream, and he has really great ideas. Mm, there is something. So what? Okay. So right now I can just provide some dummies data that I can work on. Okay. So this will have this kind of way. Okay. So can I do this? Okay. So I can just add new field within here. Will that just work? Will that just work? Okay. Like if I give this header name. Okay. So if I say test, and if I say here, okay. So what will happen here? So if I go here and manage column, and so all, then I'm not getting that column, yeah. I'm not getting the, okay, so it was last name, and mm, okay, okay. So if I click here, manage, no, mm, I will just make it as this way. So I'm first I will start it like how the things are working here. Mm, until okay, I'm BTech CSC student currently in final year. Yes, I'm also follow. Okay, code quick until the Biraz bridges we can talk. Yeah, you can really give you great advice. I think okay. So if I do what did yeah, another field will be added. Yeah, it was added 2 times. Yeah, so I can just pass these values for the last name, first name, and age and ID. And what is happening here is for the column, I have the ID and header name with. So what I was doing is not kind of good thing here, right? Like what I can do is I can add new here. Like I can say yes, uh, I can say like actions which will help me to delete, and I can do for this crowd operation. Okay, so I will crowd actions. Okay, so sortable table. If I so okay, so it doesn't have this sort button. Yeah, so for the first name. Okay, so if I just I think I have to manually give to false value for to not have a sortable. So this is for the age. Yeah, so right now I can sort for the age. Yeah, so I have this button, but if I do right now, so right now I don't have the option to sort. Okay, so that is for this. Mm, or I can just study from that this full. There was one full, yeah, like full colorful, like all the things were included in one thing. Yeah, this one, this has like around this many rows. Yeah, so this is the field. There is this button, there is the status button. Yeah, so I can use really use this status concept here, and this thing also. Or if I go to the community, I was seeing something community. Yeah, here. Yeah, so it is for the free plan. Mm, Biraj bro, okay. Biraj bro, I will start my coding from today's early morning. I just want to clear my concern now. Main focus on learning. Yes, yes, brother, that should be mentality. And yeah, you can revise HTML, CSS, and for the CSS part, make sure to like clear all the concept regarding flexbox and grid, like grid and flex box, like that are the main things from my point of view. Because if you are able to center or div for the example, or like there is some component and you are able to position it anywhere, then you will have a kind of mind like where should the things go kind of way. And revise that HTML CSS, and also don't forget to do that JS. Okay, and there are like many program like October. There are many online like hackathon. Yeah, like you can participate on those also. Like don't go with, like uh, I should win anyhow, but if you go there and explore your learning, that will also be a great. So what I was saying, yeah, like I have a Figma file. Okay, I will learn, man. Today I'm not going to sleep. What I will do is I will straight code up. Uh, I will do my coding for more like straight 4 hour, and after 4 hour I will work on that. I'm going to organize one Git and GitHub workshop. Yeah, so I'm going to focus on that. Git and GitHub workshop, making slides, making sure the portfolio. Like what I'm doing is on the second day, I will make one custom template for those students who are on my workshop, and by they will go on my GitHub, clone my repo, and within I will have some variable where they can change their name, their background, and their hobbies. And by just changing them, there will be a live website for them, and which they can host on the GitHub. So I should make one template, and tomorrow I will share that with you guys also. Yes, chai or code Jindabad. I feel for yes, bro. Like chai or code. Yeah, bro. For the JS concept, like you can really watch that chai code, like chai or code. Like he really goes deep in JS, and on one React, like here he has one React course also. Yeah, that he gone to the Fiverr nodes also. Like React works on the like Fiverr, yeah, Fiverr. So it is their internal skill structure, architecture, and most of the course will not include this. But he said that how the things are working under the wood also. So he really goes deep. You can definitely try that. Mm, yeah, and another thing is I need to have this kind of searching also. Yeah, so okay, so one is source, another is this department kind of drop down menu, so where I can do that thing. So okay, so here, so on this table, I have tabs. Yeah, so okay, like I can make the table, and for this tab, I can use another code for to just sort the things. Yeah, but still, I need to pass the values from the tab to the table. Yeah, because it's like a sorting. Yeah, like it's about filtering which are present, which are absent. Yeah, the main thing is I need to have one source button, like source box, and one drop down. And here, I think here is also a table. Okay, yeah. So so the main point is source button and the that drop down. Okay, so I think here they have this also. Yeah, this one. Yeah, can I see the code? Okay, so okay, initialize where it was. Okay, so I think it is for this one. Grid. Okay, so grid data types, initial state, quick search. Otherwise, filter will be applied on the field such as hidden column ID. So where this much of data they are taking, like where from this much data they are having. Doing these things, we should have skill, but he said that we should learn to react after messages. Is that so? Like, there are companies which hire just basically knowing HTML, CSS, JS, but from in my Nepal, there are only one two companies like that, and besides that, all the companies wants a front end developer who has skill, who can make like website. And like the main point is they want to make sure that they are paying low and they are giving you more work, like they are taking more work out of it, yeah. So just hiring a HTML CSS JavaScript person will not benefit them at all. Or if you are okay, so if you are doing WordPress development, yeah, so the tech companies you are going for is doing WordPress. And in the WordPress ecosystem, if you know just HTML, CSS, JavaScript, so you can custom CSS on some template somewhere. So and from for like some JavaScript you can do to make some clicks, like you don't need to depend on the plugin of your WordPress. So that on that company you can be hired as a just knowing HTML, CSS, JavaScript. But if you are talking about the actual job, like they want kind of some framework or some libraries, like React is a library, yeah. So you can learn, and you can also do some freelancing also, or you can like just do projects and learn. And still, like I'm feeling so much behind. And okay, so now what? How they are taking this much of data here? I'm so confused. Mm, so they are using the demo data, yeah. So I think, okay. So okay, I got it now. They like I need to install this package, this data grid generator, and what it will do is it will create a like data for. Okay, so let me try it. Okay, the best way to find out things are just to try it. Okay, so what I will do is attendance table layout, and I think now my code will break. Yeah, I think my code is now as broken, yeah, because I don't have this. And what I need to do is I need to grid. Yeah, now it is downloading. mm, should I learn WordPress? Should I learn WordPress? I can't say that, like okay, for like okay, mm, mm, can I show my okay, what can I do? Like firstly answer me, like is there any website, like is there any companies in your locality or in your areas doing WordPress, like SEO agency, digital marketing agency? Then they might have been using WordPress. But no man, like for also WordPress you need to learn. How can I explain? Okay, so I gave you example of WordPress because in the WordPress, okay, so I told you about my previous job was on the SEO, yeah. And on that SEO, I we have like CDR for Australia, CDR Engineers Australia, CDR Writers Australia, Velox Lab, Asterisk Digital, and Calm Digital Kathmandu, this website. And the most of the website are on the WordPress, because on that SEO, what they used to do is, for to create blog post and to rank that blog post, it is kind of more easy to have WordPress dashboard. Yeah, and as a SEO person, uh, I used to do that WordPress, and I used to do that SEO. Like, there is not a just a WordPress developer kind of job. Like, it will fall under the digital marketing, or it will fall under the content writing. Like, if you go on one company and they are making content, and where you have to put that content on the WordPress, and after putting there, your senior will check if that is right or wrong, and then only they will post it. Yeah, so in my previous SEO, I used to do like SEO technical audit, Google Search Console, Google Analytics, and bunch of the SEO tools and WordPress, absolutely. So that was the thing. No, for learning purpose, like it will create confusion or something while learning coding. Like, WordPress is not mandatory. Like, if you don't know anything about the WordPress also, it is fine, but you can learn WordPress within some days also. Like, you can was like code with Harry also. Like, he had made one WordPress website back in 3 year, I guess. Like, that time I just watched his video and I followed the say. So yeah, you can learn, not for like the just to become WordPress developer, but for a general knowledge to, so how it is, like how a WordPress development looks like. For that, yeah, like I have also, like, right now, okay, CDR writers, CDR engineers, CDR Australia. Okay, yeah, this is the just a two example I will like to give. Yeah, so this full site, so we have so many blog, yeah, here. This so many blogs, like we made this from the WordPress. And this one I made from the scratch from the WordPress also. Yeah, you can see, like, for this kind of thing, WordPress is good, because we are just publishing blog. Yeah, like, we're just publishing blog here. So for that, WordPress is good. Like, no hiring a developer to just make this site. So I worked on this side also, this side also, like many more. Like, there are bunch of like CDR Australia writer also, CDR other end, there is this Palox lab also. I also made this, like, this animation also, yeah, made in a WordPress. So I made this one also in the WordPress. Asterisk digital, this one also. And I made this a key of games. This is for the game. Okay, so I made this one also, key of games, where we used to do affiliating marketing, because when they go and try to buy some product from this, our affiliated link will go on. So I created this side also. So after doing this all, like, I was able to add this that front end job. So just learning and having it is will always benefit you, but be sure to like, what are the things you are doing right now also. So yeah, there are many, like, as to, like, I show you this side also, yeah, like CD Cybertron. This yeah, this I make back in 2 year. Like, before 2 year I made this site with the HTML, CSS, JavaScript. Yeah, like this one back in 2 year. But just now. So this map also. So just having knowledge will always help you. Okay, bro. Thanks for suggestion and thanks for your precious time. Now I have to sleep because I will wake up in morning. And really, thanks to you for listening me and now focusing work. I am not going to. No, like sure, man. Like I'm not disturbed. Like I'm happy to share you something that might have really help you, or you can take some example out of me. And I'm also a struggler, like just trying to grind and to learn because I still need so much things to learn. So yeah, just we are a lot earning bodies. So yeah, take care. Good night and see you tomorrow on my live. So yeah, that's it. Okay. I think now it will work. Okay, I will just run the server. Hello, code with cook brother. Are you there? Oh, just I mentioned your name and just got your message. I think it will just go because there is this company idea and it will just go because I have created that company ID with this Redox, this Redox, this company, yeah, company slice. I created the unique ID from the nano ID I used and I created that. So okay, I need to do it again. Good night, brother. Bros, bro, and code with cook. Sure, bro. Good night. So I have this validation also. Please select a staff code, but I didn't get validation here. I think my I think there is some problem. I need to open that. Hmm, hmm, Sonia. I usually mute the mic while looking on YouTube. Sure, brother. Okay. So I've got this type of thing here. Uh, so just for the view, okay. So it is this kind of layout, and what I can say is I can just keep percent. Took my data, but I think or what I can do is okay. Um, mm, where is this source button? So data, and I'm passing that data with an initial state and items quick value sort. Yeah. So and another thing, what I need to do is I need to have my this here. Firstly, I will work on this piece of data here. Okay, so I will try to. Uh, okay. Mhm, 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 mhm. So why my this is not okay? Okay. Drop down box and what I need to do is drop down box and space the road and 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 have the column have the column have gaps and taking room like extra space at in and make them all dark and present have index and and right print and send index and right red and right busy right busy and and under the employee name under the employee name have him have image 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 name and your name here. Mhm. Like it is not working. Like what I have is so I think that select one I should not work. Like I thought that it will be fast, but no. I need to customize a lot here. So, Code with Cook brother, are you here in the live? So, how your days are going? Okay, so now let's see where is the bug and what the things I need to make working. So just it is taking this much of data, my mock data, and there are these three department, and I am using the filter as you used it. So if I'm selecting some filter, then it will use this filter data. So from the mock data it will filter, and it from the person it will take the name, and first of all it will load the all of the word because it want to compares, yeah. So it will see from the source text and the department, it will take this two as like they are included or not, and also the department, and it will filter it. Okay. Hmm. Let's see what if I have any code error. Hmm. So yeah, things are working. Present. Oh, let me see the Figma. So after clicking the name, it should go here. Performance, and if he selects, so this is like a January, yeah. Like it is on the, so this I need to understand. Okay, so when from clicking the name, it will go here. Osama, Ramana Pizarka.
Hmm.
Hello, hello. I'm sorry I was not able to view your message. So for now, today this much I will be doing. So yeah, everyone, today this much live. So as I'm on 366-day challenge, so that means I will be live each and every day for this year. So today it was my Jan 20 live. So hope you subscribe to my channel, and for tomorrow live, let's get to it. So yeah, take care.